my channel. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I cut all. Hi guys, so I am about, can you see me? Okay, so I am about to get another curly cut, and this is how my hair looks right now. It looks like really curly right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's growing, it's definitely growing, and the curls are crazy. You can see right here. Look how curly it is right there, like that. It's really curly. So I'm gonna, oh my, okay. I'm about to go get another haircut, and to be honest, this time I'm gonna cut as much as I can. I'm gonna cut a lot just because I need a hairstyle. I don't have a hairstyle, so I kind of need a hairstyle, and it's really stressful because I only wear my hair in one way. Like I can only wear my hair in one style because I have so many straight, like right here, like all this front things are straight, and then I have so much straight in the back that I can only wear one hairstyle, and it's kind of annoying. And it's already been 9 months. It's about to be a whole year, and I do want to like feel free and like have curls and everything. So I told her to cut as much as she can, so let's see how she does. I'm sure she's gonna do great because, you know, she's really good at what she does, but I'm excited and I'm scared at the same time. But yeah, let's see. I am still shocked. I'm so shocked that I cut my hair. So yeah, I'm just trying to deal with short hair now, which is crazy, and it's super hard because I can't even put in a ponytail or anything. But I mean, this is what you have to do when you want natural hair, and I chopped it all off. It doesn't even look bad, right? I like it. Alright guys, so like you obviously could tell, I cut my hair. I did the big chop. I know a lot of people were saying, well, you didn't really do a chop. To me, that was a big chop, but this just makes it even like 1000%. Like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now, and I really do like it. I like it. I do not regret doing it. But it's like so short. Like, I'm gonna try to like style it a little bit different next time. Like next time I film a video. But when I let this part like out, I legit have an afro. Who would have thought I would have an afro? Just really, right now, I'm just embracing my hair. I'm loving my hair. I am just trying to find the hairstyles that work for me, you know? But yeah, if you guys have any tips, please tell me down below like how I can like start growing my hair and everything. I do have like a routine already that I'm doing with my hair, which I really do like. But yeah, like any advice or anything that you guys might have, just let me know. And I am going to do a separate video from this one, just showing you guys the products that I've been loving, the products that I've been like not liking, and like, you know, those things. But yeah, I chopped my hair. There's a big chop. It's super curly, and as you can see, I did get a lot of like compliments. Like at church, I got so many compliments already. Like people really do like it, and I feel weird. I feel like older, and I feel like certain outfits don't go with this hair. Like I have to like not wear as much cardigans because it just doesn't go with the hair. Like I don't know, it's so weird. But I do feel older, but I honestly love it. Like the main reason why I decided to chop it off, it was because I couldn't do the curly straight like unevenness that I had before. So I was like, okay, I can't do this, so let me just cut all the dead hair, and that's exactly what I did. And this is how it looks like. You can see that the curls are like everywhere, and if you look at the back here, they're also like here. Like I do need to like style it a little bit different. I'm just trying to find like, you know, what I like, but so far this is how it looks like, and it's gonna be like this for a while because, you know, it has to like grow and everything. But yeah, this is, I mean, this is my hair. I did a big chop, and I'm so happy that I did it. It is hard to like handle it and stuff, and like do the hairstyles that I like. And it does not go in a ponytail. Like to sleep, I have to do 2 little ponytails in the back. It looks so cute. but that's the only way that I can sleep with my hair tied up because it doesn't go into one ponytail. But yeah guys, I chopped it all off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so happy with the progress that my hair is doing. like all this curl, it was not here when I started, and I know that it's been the products that I've been using and everything, and I will list down below all the other update videos that I have for you guys. But yeah, anything that you guys want to tell me, any like advice, any like secrets to like grow hair and everything, please let me know down below because I need help. But yeah, this is the video that I had for you guys. It's just like an update video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love you guys, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.